Hello student, in previous video we saw the information about security. In Arthashastra, the Kautilya divide this concept of security into two parts, that is internal and external security. We saw the information of the Chanakya. The Chanakya is a teacher, philosopher, economic jurist, royal advisor, author of ancient Indian political treatises. He presented his idea about the security, that is idea of nationalism and protecting the country and increasing the wealth of the country necessary. In other, some important contribution that made the other political expert, that is Willy Brandt, report titled the North-South, a program for survival and the common crisis, North-South cooperation for world recovery. This report focus on the problems of development and how the military resources can be used for the development of the country. Willy Brandt, he is the eminent German statesman, politician, Chancellor of West Germany, recipient of the 1971 Nobel Peace Prize. He presented his idea on the security, that is, discussed the idea of using military equipment for the development of the country. Second political expert, Olof Palme, report titled the Independent Commission on Disarmament and the Security Issue. This report suggested the approach of common security. This means that one country cannot become secure by making the other country insecure. They must search the common security. Olof Palme, Prime Minister of Sweden, President of Independent Commission on Disarmament and Security in Geneva, the special envoy to the United Nations and mediator in the Iraq-Iran war. He gives the idea on the security, that is everyone needs the equal security, means the people living in the country, they should be having equal security. Put forward the idea that no country can be safe by making another country insecure, means that his idea presented on the security, that the one country can be safe, but don't other country become insecure. So these three political experts give the ideas on the security we saw just now. Further part, non-state organization, comprehensive thinking of human security resulted in the formation of some organization to address the longer issue of human security. These organizations are known as non-state organization. Such organizations which are not part of the government work in the sector of environment, health, women and the child development of India. They are called non-governmental and voluntary organization, NGOs. For example, we will see the NGOs, education, that is Muktangan, Pratham, Anushka, etc. On the health, Care India, Society for Nutrition and Education, Family Welfare, Ashadhan and Ashadhan for children and elderly, Aadhaar, etc. The many NGOs have registered with the government for human security. You can browse the interest. You can browse the internet to find the information about any registered NGOs. So student, you can understand the political expert view on the security. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.